Hi, my name is Renata Simmons. I'm from Richmond, Kentucky, and I currently work in the Justice and Public Safety Cabinet and State Government for Kentucky, and I am also an HR Executive Advisor. And I really enjoyed the presentation from Karim Ellis. It was awesome. It was fantastic. I learned that you must first have a vision every day when you wake up, no matter what it is. And from that vision, you can't speak it until you think it. And once you speak it, then you think about it, write it down on a vision board, and from there, go and take action to fulfill that vision and become successful. So I highly recommend you come to a presentation and hear Mr. Ellis. He was awesome, he was fantastic, and he definitely inspired you, and he inspired me to want to inspire someone else. Thank you.